Cloud, actually, we are a leading global cloud infrastructure provider. We've been in Africa for several years, and we've been in Nigeria for around 2 years. During the 2 years, we help and support a lot of fintech companies to build a robust and agile fintech platform to help them grow their business, develop their business so fast and stable. So in Nigeria, fintech is one of the most important sector for us, because we can see Nigeria e-commerce growing so fast and is growing strong. More and more people and companies join this sector. So we just do focus on this segment, and we do point-to-point business. So we didn't do much marketing. We just using this kind of platform to announce us to everybody. Cloud, is just technology. It's more cost effective. It's more efficient. It's more agile, and there's a lot of things you can try on cloud, and no need to spend a lot of money. For fintech, for startup, I think cloud is quite a good choice for those companies to set up their business. Yeah.
You get instant value for your money, and our services, we have good customer service, our CX team are perfect, and every other thing you need to do. So that's what stands us out amongst others. So in terms of security, we take it with utmost priority, because our customers' data and details is very key to us. So we ensure that everything, our customers' details, their data, their funds is safe. You understand? So, and we ensure that regulatory is key to us. You understand? In terms of customers' details, know your customers' data, customers' funds. We take it with utmost priority at Vbank. So we have not had cases where you say customers' fund has gone missing from the account. It hasn't happened in my bank. So we ensure that our data security is guided and safe. So funds are safe, customer details are safe in the BFD Microfinance Bank. And that's what stands us out from amongst everyone, because you cannot see on the news that a customer's fund has been moved from the bank. It's not going to happen at Vbank. And that's one of the key factors for us.
So this is a B2B payment network with presence in over 132 countries. We terminate into mobile wallets, banks, and also at cash pickup points. So what we have is that we are a payment infrastructure house. We provide our mobile transfer operators, our banks and mobile wallet operators the opportunity to send money and funds from one country to the other.
It's a very competitive market like yours. What's your differential factor?
So what we bring to the table is that we have a speed to market policy. We also have a very good exchange policy also, looking at the payment infrastructure for our connected world that we have here. And also in terms of our payment infrastructure, you only need one API from us to connect to get all these powerhouses and banks, mobile wallets, e-commerce platforms to use our integrations and APIs. No, I'm not a Nigerian. Yes, Thunes is in Nigeria. So in Nigeria, we cover 90% of the Nigerian market for USD payouts, and also for Naira payouts, we cover all the market. So we have 100% coverage in Nigeria for our Naira payouts, and also 90% coverage for the USD payouts. We have cash pickup, integrations with the banks that we work with. So partners who send money from across Europe and America and also Latin America can have their beneficiaries, the families pick up their cash at any of these banks that we work with. So most of the big banks in Nigeria work with them.
So at Fifth Lab, what we do is we create innovative solutions that help to address these challenges, whether individual or businesses. So we've got a suite of solutions that have addressed different challenges that we have today. So one is in the corporate world, that the cooperative society world. We have a solution that actually addresses the need, ensuring that it makes them automate their processes, so where their members can be able to see all the contributions they make so far. They can make requests for a loan. They can also request for an item within that space. We also have a solution where we target the SMEs, because we know the major challenges SMEs have today when they approach banks or institutions to get loans. So what we did was to create a small scalable enterprise resource planning solution for them that would address that need, so they can have their accounting, their point of sales, their inventory, their purchase order, and everything well automated, and it's just cheap for them. At least it's affordable, let me use that word. Then we also deal on the payment side, so we have an escrow solution where we try to solve the problem between the trust issue between a buyer and a seller, the usual issue where you say what I ordered versus what I got. So we try to create that solutions that address them. And we have a core banking application, and the drive is how we bring indigenous solution to solve that issue with forex. Why do you have to go in to get offshore solution when we have local indigenous developers that can actually create solutions that will still meet that need? Our core banking solution today runs on over 10 microfinance banks as we speak, and we also have 2 current mortgage banks running on that platform. So what we just do at Fifth Lab is we look at solutions, we turn solutions or we turn problem into solutions that everybody begins to identify with.